Hello, my name is Derek Morrison. I'm a sales manager with Toshiba Canada. Today I'd like to talk to you about our Toshiba 478 50-page a minute desktop copier, printer, scanner, and fax. I'm going to share a screen and we'll start right away. So this is a better image of the E478S. As you can see, it's compact in size, will easily fit on the desk. But if you want to, you can add up to 4 paper trays to give it a maximum of over 2,300 sheets of paper. Other significant features of the E478S is that besides being a 50-page minute black and white printer with a very low operating cost, it has a dual head scanner that can scan up to 100 images per minute. So I'm just going to show you a couple of quick things about the 478. First off, it's easy to change the toner. You just open up this front door. Toner comes right out like that. It's a large 20,000 page toner that's easy to recycle. You can scan to a USB drive if you want by just inserting this front receptacle right there. You can print on envelopes if you want by just opening the front bypass tray, and up to 100 sheets of paper can be put there. And on top here we have our document feeder, which is a dual head feeder as I described. It can scan both sides of the page at the same time. You can just put your envelope right in there, and a green light will appear to let you know that the paper is properly inserted. So what we're looking at now is the LCD panel of the copier. As you can see, it's a touch screen panel. You can easily switch slide from side to side with a lot of icons on it, perhaps too many icons. So it's easy to customize the LCD panel. So it's easy to customize the LCD panel into something that's easier to use. It's simple as copy, email, fax. This is actually a one-touch email button, and we can just simply swipe the copier LCD panel to the left or right. For example, if we want, we can do something like create a one-touch for meter reads, which will show us how many copy prints are on the copier, and this can be emailed to you, or you can automatically each month, or you can just simply touch the button on the panel. So what I'm looking at here at the moment is the web browser of the copier. This is how we can program the copier to do all kinds of different things. For example, this is where I could program the copier for scan to email, or I could add addresses, or I could do a bunch of things such as add maybe some free apps. In this case, I've had a free app called Customer Support, and I can configure that app to do all kinds of different things, such as rename the icon from Customer Support to Meter Reads, add a specialized icon for it, all kinds of things. Also with the apps, I can, for example, there's one here called Scan to a Network Folder. Perhaps I could scan paper documents directly to a folder on a computer that's watched by Microsoft Office 365. Maybe it can automatically upload into OneDrive for Business, so it can make things easier for people to store their documents in the cloud. I want to take a moment to talk about the print drivers that are available for the Toshiba 478. First, we can use the familiar Toshiba Universal 2 print driver. Which has a familiar user interface for all our copiers, from our slowest black to our fastest black to our slowest color to our fastest color copiers. But there may be applications where you prefer to use the Toshiba HBP or host-based print driver for applications that require Lexmark original print driver. We can work with that. The HB print driver emulates that Lexmark original print driver. And one of the features in that print driver that people like is a feature called print and hold, or confidential print, or sometimes referred to as private print, that we can use with this copier. First and finally, I want to mention about the print drivers. There are versions available to print from an Apple Macintosh iOS computer as well. Plus, there are you can print from mobile devices, be them Android or iOS. So as you can see, this is my contact information. Any questions, I'd be happy to help. The Toshiba E478 is a hardworking desktop copier that's great for any small, medium, or enterprise-sized business that's looking for a print device with a low acquisition cost and a low cost of operation. I wanted to add that there is an optional Wi-Fi card available for this printer, and via the built-in virtual network connection, we can service this copier from a distance with the help of something like TeamViewer or Windows Quick Assist. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.